Hello, and thanks for tuning in. Today, I'd like to talk to you briefly about open houses and what you should look for as this market heats up. My name is Naja Roby, and I'm with the Mitchell Group at EXP. When going to open houses, it's so easy to get caught up in the excitement of house hunting. And I get it. The home is usually beautifully staged, it smells great, and there's usually a friendly agent there pointing out all the charming details and thoughtful upgrades. However, it's important to look at the home with a critical eye if you plan to buy it. Be sure to ask important questions about each space. Here are a few questions for you to ask room by room. In the living room, what's underneath that carpet? If you can get a peek underneath, take that opportunity. The last thing you want to find out post-closing is that you'll have to deal with subflooring that has major issues. That would be a total nightmare. In the kitchen, ask about appliances, their ages, and if they're covered under warranty. Ask for bedroom dimensions so that you'll know if your furniture will fit. In the bathrooms, don't be afraid to turn on those faucets and check water pressure. Ask questions about the roof, its age, and its type. Depending on the type, roofs can last you up to 15 to 20 years. Ask the agent if the home survey is available so that you can see the property lines. In general, you'll want to know about major appliances, HVAC systems, electrical, plumbing, because these are all big ticket items and will be very expensive to fix. If you need help finding a top agent in your area, or you're looking to buy or sell, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'd love to talk to you. Thank you. Have a great day.